Oh yeah, forgot to mention, I got a small run of the straight up t-shirts in. Well, let me do that over. Let me put the sound effect in. I got a small run of the t-shirts in. So yeah, if you want to support your boy, links in the description. These are made by me, 100% polyester, great shirts. Let me flip this around. Let me flip this around so y'all can see me, because there's too much noise in there. The air decided it wanted to cut on in the basement and it's making all kinds of noise. So yeah, let's get over to the office. I got a couple things I got to ship out. Got to ship the stuff I just made out and give y'all a closer look of the stuff I just made. All right, let's go. Well, I just wanted to show y'all these socks real quick. These are from actually Scott. He's a viewer of the channel. He actually ordered some knee highs. I usually don't make knee highs. I don't carry these many in, but or that many pairs of knee highs in. But I always keep a couple just in case. And these turned out pretty good. He sent me a picture of some dogs. Look like a little Yorkie. And I don't know what type of dogs these are, but these turned out real good. I'm liking how these are looking. Shout out to Scott for the order. I appreciate it, man. I hope you like those. And these right here are tempted to do my what sold and, you know, show you guys everything, but my guy Scott came in and we got to talking, and then my son showed up and we got to talking, and you know, 1 hour turned into 2 hours and I forgot to pull out the camera. You understand what I'm saying? Everything's already packed up. I'm even late for the post office. I'm gonna get dinged on that, but anyway, so I guess we're just gonna have to do a virtuoso. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get home, show you guys what I sold. Alright guys, I'm back home. I love the fall season. That's one reason why I love living in Kentucky at this time of the year. I mean, well, where I live, you get to experience all 4 seasons. I know a lot of people don't get to experience that. Some people don't want to experience that. Some people just love the hot Miami weather, the hot California, LA weather. Me, I'm more of a tropical guy, you know. I'm right there in the middle. So sometimes cold, sometimes hot. I hate too cold and I hate too hot. So we get them all here. But this time is perfect for me. You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm not gonna go too much into that. I need a vlog, don't I? Because I can go crazy out here.
Yes, sir.
Let's get into what's sold on eBay, all right? Let me back us out, you know what I'm saying? So I have a little something to put right there. I had 3 cordless amplified phones go out. These were actually used. I got these from Gimme 5. I paid $5 a piece for them. They sold for $114.99 plus shipping. The buyer paid $23.15 shipping, so there was a lot. I was only $15 into this, and add that up, $130 something dollars. Can't beat that. 15 to 130. Come on now. Next thing I had on was this Ryzen Braille label maker. I guess it basically makes labels that are Braille. It was new, but it was out of the box, so I put used, or I just put never used open box. It sold for $19.99 plus shipping. Buyer's about $25 into it. That was a great sale. I bought that one from Gimme 5 for $5 as well. Next thing I had going out was this figure. It's like a nutcracker egg. You could open it up and it had this like little figure on top. It was made in 2004. It's called Dance of the Sugar Plum, something like that. Anyway, I got this from that free lot where I went into that lady's house and I got everything for free. Sold for $37.99 plus shipping, which the buyer is about almost $50 into it. Next thing I sold was Crash Tag Racing Nintendo game. It sold for $26.99. Man, it's all kind of mosquitoes. I gotta hurry up and get this done. Plus shipping, so $26.99 plus shipping. You know, I got that from that game lot that I got way back where I paid $1,000 and got like 70 consoles, about 300-400 games. I mean, it was one of the best purchases ever, and that stuff just keeps on working, and I still got some stuff from that stuff to list. Most of the games are listed, but as far as the systems, takes a lot to test and clean those things. So a lot of them I'm porting out with, some of them I'm trying to clean and get a little bit more. I'm thinking now that I probably should just go ahead and sell them everything as is. You know, I made my money 2-3 times on that. I don't see where the price is there if I do clean them. You know, it's not enough to sit back and take, you know, 20, 30, 40 minutes cleaning something where I'm only gonna get $10, $20 more. You understand what I'm saying? Next thing I sold was some deodorant. Some Mitchum's deodorant. It sold for $7.69 plus shipping. So the buyer's about, what's that, $13, $14 into it. I got this from a store here. It's a liquidation type store, and they get a bunch of different stuff. I mean, every time you go in there, something different. Next thing I sold was another item like that. It's a replenishable, and I got that from another discount store here. It sold for $13.99. It's one of those easy repair. If you got like chips in your floor, I think it's for like porcelain type floor. If you got like a chip, you can fill it in. It's supposed to do pretty good with that. Anyway, I got about 30 at the time. I believe I got them for like, oh, some cents. It's like 30 cents a whop or something. And $13.99 free shipping, because it weighs, I kid you not, 2 ounces. Next thing I got when I went on vacation in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. For those of y'all who watch my videos, I got a lot of wrestling figures. Well, I got about 19 of them, paid about $2 and some change a piece. This one right here sold for $19.99 plus shipping. Buyer's about $24.99 into it. Great buy. I sold like 2 or 3 of these and already made my money back, so I still got like 15 to sell, and that's all profit. So that right there, you can't beat it. Next thing I sold was some home filters. I think that's how you say it, home, like Sherlock Holmes filters. They sold for $17.49 plus shipping. It's a pack of 2. The buyer's about $10, $27, $30 into it with the shipping. I got these from the thrift store a while back, so I've been having them for a while, maybe about 6 months or so, and they finally sold. And you know, stuff like that, as long as it sells, I'm good. So the posture corrector, I talk about these a lot. I get them from Gimme 5 on $2 days, and they sell like every day. This one right here sold for $11.99 free shipping. These are like 4 ounces as well, so I got $2 in. It's gonna cost me about, let's say, $3 to ship. So I'm $5 into it, $6 profit. Can't beat that. Next thing I sold was a game called Dashin Desperados. It's on Sega. Yeah, Sega Genesis. Came out in 1993. Sold for $16.99 plus shipping. Buyer's about almost $20 into it. Got that from the game lot from that guy as well. Like I said, they just keep feed me. So the faucet that I got from Gimme 5, all of it wasn't there. It was just a faucet. And when I get this, maybe about 2 months ago, it sold for $59.99 plus shipping. So the buyer is like almost $75 into it, man. It was a great buy. I only spent $5 on it. It only cost me about $7 to ship. So great profit there. I love stuff like that, the sales, and where there's a lot of profit there. Well, I guess that's what everybody wants, right? Sold some cabin filters, $12.49 free shipping. That's about what they going for. It's gonna cost me about $3 to ship this one, so I'll make a couple bucks on that one. Sold another wrestling figure, Shawn Michaels. Shawn Michaels sold for $17.99 plus shipping. Buyer's about $23 into it. Like I said, great buy. Only spent $2 and some change for it. There you go. Sold a vintage Kmort AM pocket radio. Sold for $13 plus shipping. I got this from a lot way back. It was like one of my first lots, and it finally sold, so I'm happy about that. It's very small. It's gonna ship under 4 ounces, and yeah, just one of those things where I'm gonna make probably about $10 on it, but hey, it's $10. Every little bit counts. Sold a trip laver made by, is it Kohler? Sold for $30.99 plus shipping. Got this from Gimme 5 on $5 a day, so I'm $5 into it. Sold it, you know, plus shipping for $30-something. Gotta love it, right? Yes, sir. Sold a waist trimmer for $21.99. Is it plus shipping? No, free shipping. All you people who wear these waist trimmers, do they work? I don't know. I guess they're supposed to make you sweat. You get a 6-pack off of them? I don't know. Leave a comment below and let me know if they work. More cabin filters. They sold for $24.99. This person bought 2 of them. Free shipping. These do pretty good. I got like 5 of them all at once, and they sold, all of them sold within 3 days. So this specific, it's made by Fresh Breeze, and they sell pretty good. So, you know, if you ever find anything as far as like a cabin filter or anything like that that goes to a car, get it, because I only had so many questions, like people asking me, hey, will this fit this, blah blah blah, and I don't know about you guys, but when you get questions like that, especially doing what we do, we buy stuff just to resell. We don't know anything about it. What do you do? Do you answer them? Do you look it up yourself? Do you say you don't know? What do you do? Next thing it sold is the Studio 71 Juice Box Builder Box. Sold for $19.99 plus shipping. Got these from Give Me 5 last week. About 2 of them. One sold. Got, I mean, $5. Can't beat that.
There you are. I've been looking for you.
Here come my son. So the Jelly Cat, a puppy dog. It sold for $16.99 plus shipping. Got this from Give Me 5 on $2 day, and I'm surprised it sold. I'm surprised it went for that much, because when I got it, I was getting it for somebody, and I decided to sell it, and I looked it up, and I was like, what? A jelly dog? What is that? So some vintage ornaments. So 4 Commodore Christmas Classics for $14.99 plus shipping. I got these from an estate sale a little while back. I bought a bunch. Hey, you shaking my camera. Bruh. I can't never just have 5 minutes to do something for myself. That's why I'm outside. Anyway, I got these vintage ornaments from an estate sale a little while back. I bought a bunch of vintage Christmas ornaments, stuff like that. I'm just not getting to list it because, you know, Christmas is coming and I want to try to list all this stuff. Listed these like 2 days ago. These sold 2 days ago. So the filter that I got from Give Me 5 for $2, sold for $9.99 plus shipping. I got maybe like 7 or 8 of these. I usually don't get stuff this low. It's not gonna sell for $9.99. I paid $2 in it plus shipping, so I'm about $14 into it. Another $3 to ship, so $5 into it. You know, $10. You can't beat that. So some Dillard's ornaments. This is another one I told y'all that I got from that estate sale that I listed the other day, and it's a porcelain doll ornament set. I had 2 of them, and both of them sold at the same time, the same buyer. They sold for $27.98. $15.98 shipping on that. I mean, so these people are about, I don't know, almost $45 into it. Can't beat that. So the M570 micro cassette recorder is made by Sony. I got this past week. I got off Highbid where I got all that stuff for like, I paid $190 for it, but with all the fees and stuff, ended up being like $220. This one little thing that I didn't see when I was buying sold for $60 plus shipping. So that was almost, I mean, I don't know, you do the math. You know, I paid $190 for everything, which is all kinds of stuff. I only listed one thing and it sold the next day. Love stories like that. And I got so much, that's gonna make me so much money. Can't wait to list all this stuff, if I ever list it. And last but not least, something that I just got from Give Me 5 on $2 day, Tuesday. It's a DVD. Sealed. It's called The Revenant, or The Revenant. Bruh. The Revenant. Am I saying it right? Anyway, Leonardo DiCaprio is in it. It sold for $12.99, free shipping. Like I said, got it for $2. It's gonna cost about $3 to ship. Oh, my dog's right. My dog's right here, man. I didn't know what that was. I thought that was a little critter. So yeah, that's about it as far as eBay is concerned. Let's get into what sold on my website and Etsy, I think. No, just my website. Alright, I'm mad that I don't got them right now, but I do have some pictures, so I'll flash them over here somewhere, some video. Sold a couple pair of socks. Shout out to Best Offer Queen. She's been like my #1 buyer as far as socks is concerned within the resale community. She bought, this time she had bought some, I guess her family are Seattle Seahawks fans. And she bought some socks, which I will put over here, along with Patrick Norman. Shout out to him. He bought some socks as well. I think I got a picture. And yeah, she wanted some with the Seattle logo on it, and then he just wanted some of his pets on them, which they turned out great. So Scott, shout out to Scott, he bought some knee highs. Now I don't sell a lot of knee highs. I only had a couple really. I need to buy some more. And basically they had one, I think he said was for his daughter, and the other one was for his wife, and I hope they're not watching. Bruh. But it's supposed to be for Christmas, so he's starting early, and that's great. That's what I need to start doing. I haven't bought anything for my peoples. But yeah, they turned out great, and I'll put a little video, if I haven't already, over here on the side somewhere, because I did get some footage of that. Sorry, had to butt in real quick. I'm actually at work, but I had to put this part in my video. Shout out to Nikki too, Nikki T. She got those little yodel socks over on the side that I didn't mention anything about. Those turned out pretty nice. I actually had somebody else who asked me about those and want those as well. So shout out to you, Nikki T. She's over at Rev Resale. Shout out to Rev as well. They got a great video. This is the second time Nikki has gotten socks from me, so shout out to them. I appreciate it. And also my #1 shout out, my first official buyer of my t-shirt, straight up, I should have one on this video but I don't, Derek over there of the Fundamentals of Hustling. Check him out. That's his YouTube channel. He bought a shirt from me. He told me, well, he said, let me know when you selling them. I ain't even put them on display yet. I haven't even said anything in video. Haven't even put nothing on my Instagram. I put something in my stories, but not my Instagram. And woke up and he had bought one. So shout out to him. And I'll show that shirt as well. If you're interested in one of them shirts, go over to the website. I'll put the link in the description. Just says straight up, you know what I'm saying? Like I was saying you earlier, and got my little logo right there. Just something to put out there to the community. I had a couple people ask me when I was gonna make merch, because I always make merch for other people. Decided to make me a little something just to, you know, have to wear myself, and then if you other guys is interested, I can wear it too. You understand? So yeah, that's about it, I think. I'm probably missing some. Oh, I do want to shout out Cajun Roots Seller. Cajun Roots, I had recorded an unboxing. Well, I thought I had recorded an unboxing of what you sent me, which she sent me a sticker, because I was asking people to send me some stickers to put in my office. Shout out to Cajun Roots. But guess what? I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording. So, and guess what? I'm out of my office. So, I don't know, I'm all over the place, man. But I really do appreciate that. Hey, I'm recording. Go. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing?
Who's about to throw the football?
I don't know. Why y'all gotta get in the camera? Y'all can't throw the football somewhere else? Anyway, let me get off here, because I'm getting bit, and they, you know what I'm saying, getting on my nerves. So anyway, tell them what they can do. What I always tell them what to do at the end of the video. What? Tell them. Hurry up. Hurry up.
If you like stuff like that, subscribe.
That's the beginning of the video. Say something else.
I don't know.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Okay, like, comment, subscribe, put on those notifications, and peace.
Yeah, that's not what I say.
Don't forget my dad has mustache and beard.
Peace.